Imagine you've got a giant toy box in your room. You can throw anything in there: cars, dolls, dinosaurs, old school projects, whatever you want. Now, imagine that toy box lives in the cloud, and anyone you give permission to can reach in and grab a toy. That's Amazon S3. S3 stands for Simple Storage Service. It's where people store their digital stuff: pictures, videos, backups, websites, anything. Every file is a toy, and each toy has a name tag so you can always find it. Your toy box can hold a few toys, or millions. It never fills up. Amazon just makes the box bigger behind the scenes. Think of a photographer storing thousands of pictures online. They upload to S3, and boom, every image is safe, organized, and ready to share. Or a website full of cat memes. Those images are probably sitting in S3 too. You don't need to manage disks or drives. S3 handles it all. Fast, secure, and almost impossible to lose a toy. So next time you hear S3, picture a bottomless toy box in the cloud, where your digital stuff lives safely until you need it again. Simple, visual, fun.